It's 4 a.m. The world is asleep, but you're about to do what 99% of people are too weak to even try. Wake up now, because your life depends on it. Most men wake up tired, anxious, and lost. They hit snooze, scroll TikTok, complain about life, and wonder why nothing ever changes. You say you want success, discipline, respect, but your actions scream comfort, weakness, delay. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't about the time. It's about becoming the man who chooses pain over pleasure, discipline over dopamine, purpose over laziness. Because at 4 a.m., there are no distractions, no noise, no excuses, just you and the battlefield inside your mind. So what do you do at 4 a.m.? Step 1, get out of bed and hit the cold shower. It shocks your system, builds grit, and wakes up your soul. Step 2, journal your mission. What are you building? Who are you becoming? Step 3, move your body. Work out, sweat. You're not training just muscles, you're training your mindset. Step 4, read for 15 minutes. Feed your mind before the world poisons it. You do this for 30 days and watch your life transform. You'll walk differently, speak differently. People will notice the fire in your eyes. Because the man who conquers the morning will soon conquer everything. Commenty I'm ready if you're starting tomorrow at 4 a.m. And if you're serious about becoming a man of discipline, hit subscribe. We're building monsters here.